Okay, so good evening and welcome to FX Star. Today this video is mainly talking about how to set up your MT4 account for beginners and how to get familiarized with it and with its features and everything. So first, after downloading your MT4 app, all what you need to do is just to go. If you have an existing account, you just have to go into an existing account, okay. But if you don't have, if you've not already registered for your broker, which I recommended, like Xnex or any type of broker you are using, if you've not already registered for a broker, then that means you can go to open a demo account. But I have a broker already, so I will just open a demo account with my broker and I'll just link it to my trading platform. So you just go to log into an existing account. So we go to Xness Real. This one is the real account, so I'll just search Xness. Then I think my demo account will come. Xness Trial 2. I'm using Xness Trial 2. Okay, so Xness Trial 2. Then I'll just log in my details. That's your server. That's the Xness Trial 2 is the server you are going to use. So I'll just log in my details. So after logging in, all what you have to do is just to click on your account. Then you go to the chart. So this is the current prices these are the quotes. The first price is the quotes and everything that is there. Like you can see the currency pairs and everything. For now, markets are closed, so you can't see the prices fluctuating up and down and stuff. You can't see your buys and your sells. So that's that. The next one is the chart. So this is how the chart looks like. So you can customize your charts and everything that you want to do. I'll teach you how to customize your charts, and you can add indicators and anything that you want to do, like you want to add up into the chart. So the next one is your balance. It shows your balance and everything. Okay, so that's how really like it's really going on. And the next one, it shows your history and your trading history and everything that you have in your account. So for instance, when you go on your chart like this, the plus symbol shows you the demarcations. At least like it shows you the prices and the dates. Do you get me? Your both horizontal and vertically. So these are the prices and these are the dates here. The F symbol shows you, makes you add indicators. So if you want to add into indicator, you just click the F+ symbol. You need to take into your indicators section. Then you just select any type of indicator you want to use, and the dollar sign shows the currency codes that is there. The currency, if you don't want to go back to the code sections, is the shortcut to the code sections. So this is the time. This one is the time, and when you want to place an order, that's the last one on your top right hand corner. That's the time. So if you want to buy the market, you buy. If you want to sell the market, you sell the market. So the 0.01 is your lot size. You can increase it any amount you want, and this is the buying price and the selling price. Like those are the prices that are fluctuating. So there's this 0.0000, which has the red line, is your stop loss, and your take profit is the other one. Okay, so we have type of market orders. We have market execution. That is, you take your market, you take trade instantaneously. We have buy limit, sell limit, stop, and buy stop, all this kind of things. So you just get familiarized with it and know how to use it very well. So if you want to change to a different market, you can just click here. Let's say we change to a different market, then the chart will load for us. Then we just start. If you want to change the time frame, you can just click on the middle of the screen. Just tap the middle anywhere of the screen, then it will just automatically pop a window pop up. This is what pops up, shows you your time frame and everything that you want to use. So you can, let's say, go to the 15 minutes time frame. See, if you want to use an indicator, if you want to check on your indicator, you can still use that place with your F. It's just the same thing, but it's just that this is somehow faster than we clicking on the top and everything. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video, and comment below and tell me the type of videos you want me to be doing, to be posting onto this channel, so that we can grow our channel to become a bigger platform. Don't forget to put your notification bell on, so that anytime I post any new video, you'll be able to get notified. Okay, and I pray that next week will be an exciting trading week for all of us, so that we can make some more money. Thank you, and have a wonderful weekend.